Here are the other boats that are docked. We have jet skis here. So yeah, I think definitely 4 days. You know, you should get a lot of stuff packed in to do. My boyfriend, he had an issue at his house as far as like a mechanical issue, breakdown, and it was midweek, so we tried to coordinate plans but just wouldn't work, so I just decided to go ahead and do it anyways. I know it sounds crazy, but I didn't want to waste this time off work and everything, so really made the most of it. I'm proud of everything that I got packed in.